What's up, Mythic Crew? In this video, we finally get to go over to the machine shop and bring the cylinder head to get it tested, along with the new pistons and rods that we got out of a low mile engine, oil pan to make sure that we can throw it in the washer and get everything washed out, get all those metal shavings out of there, and pretty soon here, we're gonna be putting the engine back together. So let's go see the machinist and bring over these parts. All right, everybody, we have arrived. Let's bring in the parts and see what's up.
Okay, so on the 4B11, basically where we're at is we're waiting for the crankshaft to be ground. You dropped off some stuff today. We're gonna get that all cleaned up and ready. We're gonna check the cylinder head out. Basically, we're gonna clean it up, do a vacuum check, make sure all the valves are sealing. We're gonna check the deck surface, maybe surface it, and then we'll put the cams on it and check valve lash and all type of stuff. So when it goes ready to be bolted on, we're ready to go. All
right, sweet, everybody. So now that the stuff's dropped off, we can get one step closer to rebuilding this engine. Stay tuned for that, and thank you. Like and subscribe.